हेलो स्टूडेंट, गुड मॉर्निंग। जैसा कि हमने लास्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 जो था वो सॉल्व कर लिया था। आज हम क्वेश्चन नंबर 4, ठीक है, एक्सरसाइज 3.2 उसे हम सॉल्व करने जा रहे हैं। ये है एग्जाम्पल 4। क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 आपके पास दे रखा है। इफ ए, ध्यान से देखिएगा क्वेश्चन। इफ ए मैट्रिक्स have element 1 5 1 2 0 -1 -3 2 1 and B matrix has element 3 4 2 -1 2 0 2 5 3 and last one is matrix C have element 4 0 1 1 3 -2 2 2 3. Now here you see there are 3 number of matrices are given and you have to compute, you have to find the result matrix A plus B and matrix B minus C, and also we have to verify A plus B minus C equal to A plus B minus C. Now here you see there are 3 number of matrices are given. Firstly, you have to evaluate A plus B and then you have to find B minus C. After finding these terms, you have to verify the result. Now, first thing we will do that we will find the result A plus B, and you already know how we find this. First is A plus B. So basically what we have to do, here we have to add these two matrices. Now the order is same. Now here you see the given matrix has same number of order, so we can add the corresponding elements. A plus B mean the corresponding element of matrix is A, that is 1 2 -3 5 0 2 1 -1 and 1 3 -1 2 4 2 5 2 0 and 3. The corresponding elements are 1 plus 3 4, 2 plus -1 it's 1, -3 plus 2 it's -1, 5 plus 4 it's 9, 0 plus 2 it's 2, 2 plus 5 it's 7, 1 plus 2 it's 3, -1 plus 0 it's -1 and 1 plus 3 is 4. Now this is a simple trick. Now next you have to evaluate B minus C. Now B minus C mean we have to look first matrix B and then matrix C. Here you see the order is same. Now there is a property of matrices that if a matrix have same number of order, then we add the corresponding elements. Now B minus C mean we have to subtract the element 3 from 4. The result will come out 3 minus 4 is -1. -1 minus 1 mean -2. 2 minus 2 mean 0. 4 minus 0 mean 4. 2 minus 3 mean -1. 5 minus 2 mean 3. 2 minus 1 mean 1. 0 minus -2 mean 2 and 3 minus 3 mean 0. This is a simple trick. Now the given result is here. One is A plus B and another one is B minus C. Now we have also verify the result. This given result, that is A plus B minus C equal to A plus B minus C. If this result will equal, then we can say that the result is verified. Otherwise we will not be able to verify the result. But we have the given value here, B minus C and A plus B. We already find it. we have to done what? Just add matrix A with B minus C and subtract C from A plus B. Now first result, A plus B minus C. So matrix A is what? The elements of matrix A are given here 1, 2, minus 3, 5, 0, 2, 1, minus 1 and 1. So we can write it as like this: 1, 2, minus 3, 5, 0, 2, 1, minus 1 and 1, and add B minus C. B minus C is what? Minus 1, minus 2, 0, 4, minus 1, 3, 1, 2, 0. Now what will come out? One plus minus 1, it will become 0. 2 plus minus 2, it will also become 0. Minus 3 plus 0, minus 3. 1 plus minus 1, 0. 2 plus minus 2, it will become 0. And minus 3 plus 0, it will become minus 3. 5 plus 4, it's 9. 0 plus minus 1, it's minus 1. 2 plus 3, it will equal to 5. 1 plus 1, 2. Minus 1 plus 2, 1. 1 plus 0, 0. Here, you find that the answer of A plus B minus C is 0, 0, minus 3, 9, minus 1, 5, 2, 1 and 0. Now the another one result is given here. The result is what? We have to subtract C from A plus B. Now A plus B, it's 4, 1, minus 1, 9, 2, 7, 3, minus 1, 4. Subtract 3 from it. What is C? 4, 1, 2, 0, 3, 2, 1, minus 2 and 3. Now subtract it. Subtract both these terms. 4 minus 4, 0. 1 minus 1, 0. Minus 1 minus 2, minus 3. 9 minus 0, 9. 2 minus 3, minus 1. 7 minus 2, 5. 3 minus 1, 2. Minus 1 minus 2, minus 1 minus 2. It will become plus. It will the answer will come out 1. 4 minus 3. The result will be here. There is some mistake. 1 plus 0 is equal to 1. So 3 minus 3. 3. It's 4 minus 3. Corresponding element. 4 minus 3 it will come out 1. So here you see that left hand side will equal to right hand side. Left hand side will equal to right hand side. I will check the answer. 0, 0, minus 3, 9, minus 1, 5, 2, 1, 1. Yes, it is correct. Now we will going towards the next question. Question number 5. Try yourself. Question number 7. Also you have to do. Now, right now I am going to solve question number 7. Part first. Very important. Find x and y if x plus y equal to 7205 and x minus y equal to 3003. A very important question, very important. Now the question which I gave to you, you have to find the answer and show the answer in the comment box. The question number 5 and question number 6. Now what is given here? The value of x plus y equal to 7025 and the value of x minus y equal to 3003. You have to find what? You have to find the value of x and y. Now in the previous class or in the class 10th or 11th, you have a single idea how we add the terms. There are a number of methods. In the class 10th, substitution method, elimination method, cross multiplication methods. You all guys are well known about it. So first we consider that x plus 1 equal to y is equation number 1. We can consider it as a equation number 1 and x minus y equal to as equation number 2. Now multiply. What we have to do here? Just see x plus y and here is x minus y. The term of x and the term of y are equal. So we can eliminate the terms of x and y. Now add, subtract equation 1 from equation 2. Now see here, x minus y will equal to 3003. You have to subtract 1 from 2. Now x plus y equal to 7025. Now when we subtract the terms, the sign will change. It's a plus, it will become minus, it will become minus. So plus x and minus x will cancel. It will become minus 2y equal to, order of the matrices are same. Now if the order of the matrices are same, then the corresponding, we can move towards the corresponding elements. So 3 minus 7 will become, 3 minus 7 will become minus 4. 0 minus 0 become 0. 0 minus 2 become minus 2. 3 minus 5 become minus 2. Taking minus 1 as a common. So minus 2y equal to minus 4202. Cancel out the sign. It will become 2y equal to 4202. 4202. So the value of y will come out 1 by 2, 4, 2, 0 and 2. This 1 by 2 will multiply each of the element of the given matrix. Then the real value of the y will come out 2011. So this is the value of y. Now what we have to do here? We have to find the value of y, x also. Now x. Now x. Now 4x. Now 4x. Put y equal to 2101 in equation 1. In 1 we get, here is x plus 2101. X plus y mean x plus 2101 equal to 7205. Now it will come out 7205. Move this term towards the right hand side. 2011. Now the result is here. X equal to 7 minus 2, 5, 0 minus 0, 0, 2 minus 1, 1, 5 minus 1, 4. Let's check the answer. The value of X is 5014 and the value of Y is 2101. Yes, it's a correct answer. Now solve the second part and upload the answer on the comment box. Thank you.